Imagine biting into a piece of chicken that's so crispy on the outside, it crackles in your mouth, and so juicy on the inside, it melts in your mouth like a piece of heaven. That's right, we're talking about the ultimate American Southern fried chicken, a dish that's steeped in tradition, packed with flavor, and loved by folks all over the world. Trust me, Colonel Sanders would be envious if he tasted this. Now, to create this culinary masterpiece, it all starts with the chicken. Choose plump, fresh chicken pieces. Thighs and drumsticks work best for their juicy texture. First, mix buttermilk with a couple of beaten eggs. This will act as the adhesive for our flavorful flour coating and also tenderize the chicken. Soak the chicken pieces in this mixture for at least 2 hours, or better yet, overnight. While the chicken is soaking, prepare the dry mix. Combine all-purpose flour with a secret blend of spices: paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and a generous pinch of salt and black pepper. The spices give the chicken its signature color and flavor, so don't be shy with them. After the chicken has soaked, dredge each piece in the flour mixture, making sure it's fully coated. Shake off any excess flour. This is the step that creates that iconic crispy outer layer. Now comes the fun part: frying. Heat vegetable oil in a deep frying pan or a Dutch oven to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the chicken pieces in the oil. Cook them until they're golden brown and crispy, which should take about 10 to 15 minutes per side. Once cooked, move the chicken pieces onto a wire rack to drain and cool slightly. This will keep the chicken crispy while it rests. And there you have it, the ultimate American Southern fried chicken. Juicy, tender chicken encased in a crispy, flavorful coating. To recap, the key steps are marinating the chicken in a buttermilk egg mixture, coating it in a spiced flour mixture, and then frying it until golden brown. Remember, the secret to the best fried chicken lies in the quality of the ingredients and the love you put into making it. So go ahead and give this recipe a try. Your taste buds will thank you. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, this recipe is sure to impress. Enjoy the process, savor the flavors, and most importantly, share this delicious dish with your loved ones. After all, good food is all about sharing and creating memories. So until next time, keep experimenting, keep tasting, and keep spreading the love through food. Happy cooking!